It's often presumed that weight loss and fat storage are determined purely by diet and exercise, but sometimes there's more to it than meets the eye. Our hormones play a huge role in the way our bodies respond to food, exercise, and stress, and ultimately determine how much fat we store and how quickly we lose weight. At 7thavefitness, we believe that understanding and listening to your body is a key element of any successful weight loss journey. Take a moment to learn about the role of hormones in weight loss and fat storage, and how you can use that knowledge to optimize your health. The endocrine system and its impact on weight loss. Your hormones are produced by a complex network of glands and organs known as the endocrine system. It's responsible for producing hormones such as cortisol, insulin, and adrenaline that direct your body's metabolic processes, including how and where fat is stored. Cortisol, otherwise known as the stress hormone, is produced when you're in a stressful situation. It can cause water retention and increased appetite and can directly impact your fat storage. Insulin, on the other hand, is the hormone regulated by diet. It helps your body absorb nutrients, store fat, and burn energy. While adrenaline is best known as the fight or flight hormone, it stimulates energy production and helps reduce stress. Replenish and revamp to restart your weight loss progress. If you've been struggling with your weight loss journey, your hormones could be the culprit. Excessive stress, an unhealthy diet, and a lack of exercise can throw your hormones and metabolism off balance and result in fat storage. At 7thavefitness, we believe in the importance of taking time out for yourself. Embrace relaxation, meditation, and calming activities such as yoga to reduce stress and cortisol levels, and refuel with nutrient-dense superfoods to revamp your energy levels. By understanding and respecting the role of your hormones, you can contour and optimize the process of weight loss and fat storage. Get the results you desire and tackle the challenges of weight loss head-on with the help of 7thavefitness. In conclusion, hormones play a significant role in weight loss and fat storage. There are several hormones in our body that influence our appetite, metabolism, and fat cells. Understanding how these hormones work and how they can be balanced is crucial for successful weight management. Hormonal imbalances can lead to weight gain and other health issues, so it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional to develop a personalized plan to achieve optimal hormone levels. By making simple lifestyle changes, eating a healthy diet, and managing stress levels, we can support our hormones and achieve our weight loss goals.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the